So these are the accessories we're getting. First of all, we're getting an XT30 to Jst Connector. This is a pretty crucial connector. Otherwise, you won't be able probably to plug your battery, because the XT30, as far as I know, is not a very common connector. And the Jst is going to be used with my 3 cells battery, although you can also use 4 cells battery with this quadcopter. In addition, we're getting 2 of these cables. One is for PPM and the second one is for S-Bus. And we're getting this antenna. This is an Sma antenna that we easily plug it here. I remind you to never turn on your quadcopter or the video system without having antenna on, because it can burn your transmitter. Probably a good idea will be to replace this antenna with a cloverleaf antenna, a short one, because you don't want to be too big. In addition, we're getting 2 of these. These are straps for the battery. They're gonna go on the bottom of this quadcopter. So let's open the canopy and see what we've got under the hood. Okay, so as you can see, the build is very clean. That's the big advantage of getting these out ready to fly quadcopters. Usually they do a very good job. The camera is fixed, so you cannot change the angle. So maybe it's gonna be, you will have a problem with that. But I'm pretty sure you can print your own stand and you can make it tilt or something like that. Here is the XT30 and it's connected to the BLHeli-S 20 ampere 4-in-1 ESCs. And this is the top board. Here's the transmitter, which is also the flight controller. Here's the USB port, so you can configure it with Clean Flight or Beta Flight. Let's turn on the transmitter and see what are the modes that we have. Okay, now I'm going to explain you how to set the frequency. So what you need to do, press this button for 2 seconds, then it's going to start switch between A, B, C, D, and E. Whenever you want to set your band, just press the button, so we can put D. Then you can change the channel between 1 to 8. I'm going to put it on 7, and then it's set. If you want to change the strength of the signal between 25, 200 and 400, you have to press this button for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you change between 1, 2, and 3. 1 being the lowest, and 3 is the highest transmission, 400 milliwatt. You just press 2 seconds to save it. And now it's on D7, and you can see it blinked 3 times because this is the strongest transmission. You can see here, this is the band. So A, B, C, D, and E. This is 1 to 8. So mine is D7, which is Fat Shark 7 5860. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the X4R S-Bus transmitter.